Good morning, everyone. My name is Atul, and our today topic is string constant pool in Java. So, basically, string is a sequence of a character. One of the most important characteristics of a string in Java, it is that they are immutable. In the short word, once create the internal state of string remaining the same throughout of the execution of the program, it is immutability. It is achieved through the use of the special string constant pool in the heap. It is the article we are let's talk about in the brief. A string is a constant pool is a separate place in the heap memory where the values of the string which are defined in the program are stored. When we can declare a string, an object of the string is created at the stack while the instance of the value and of the string is created in the heap. On the standard assignment of the value of allocated at the stack, while the value is stored in the heap, in the string is constant full for example assigning some value in Java for value to assigning. String str1 is equal to hello. The following illustration check the memory allocation in the memory allocation to the declaration. So in the above scenario, we can check the string constant created in the stack and the value is hello. So created is stored in the normally assigned to the value. It is stored in the constant pool at the heap. The pointer is backward to the object in the stack. So check the one example. So string str1 is equal to hello and string str2 is equal to hello. So the following instruction explain the declaration. So in this case, both string object can get created at the stack, but the another instance of the value hello is not created of the heap. Instance of the previous instance of hello is a used to the string constant pool. It is the cache of the considering within the heap. The Java stores all the constant pool is directly allocated. The way of its similar value needs to be the access assigned and the new string created. The stack can reference it directly with the help of a pointers. In other words, it is a string constant pool is a mainly reduce the memory usage of improve the usage of existing instance in the memory. When the string is object is assigned to the different value, it is the new value will be reassigned in the string. Constant pool as a separate instance of the act. Understand with the one example. Means string s1 is hello, string s2 is hello, and string s3 is a class. So string s1 and s2 is a point to the same string in heap area, and string s3 class is a point to the another. So this is how can we manage the memory. So thank you.